Hey guys, Jordan here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is JordanChrome, and on this channel we do a lot of things beauty and fashion related. And if you have not yet joined the family, I'm going to invite you guys to go ahead and click on that red subscribe button below and join Team Jordan's army. Today I will be showing you another quick and easy tutorial. Today's video is how I bleach my eyebrows. Yes, I said it. It sounds scary, but it's not hard, and it's also very safe, and you already have this product in your makeup bag, I guarantee you. So what are you going to need today? You're going to need concealer, any brand, it doesn't matter. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealed in the shade Natural. So the first thing you want to be doing is to open up your concealer, and you're gonna go ahead and put that all over your eyebrows. As you can see, I don't really have much eyebrows, but I'm gonna work with it. So I'm just gonna put this all over my eyebrows. And what I'm doing right now, I'm just pushing my eyebrows back to the other direction, in the opposite direction I should say, just to ensure that I am getting the product everywhere. And this is what we're looking like now. Then you're gonna be brushing gently. You want to be gentle here, and just fix your eyebrows back by raking them in an upward motion. Eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in and set that. I'm using this one right here, from my BLEACH Clear Lights palette, and just put that all over. And then we're going to repeat that process, but this time you're going to allow the concealer to dry before you add on the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to add the second layer. Up your eyebrows just like you would if you did regular eyebrows. So I adjusted the light to make it a more warmer tone, so that you guys can see that you're not even seeing my eyebrows. It's like really, can you see that? Hold on. Okay, so this is a warmer tone light. You can see that my eyebrows are looking bleached. They came out nicely to me, in my opinion, and this is actually my first attempt at doing them. And yeah, I mean, that is it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think